What's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we will going over 5 different types of products that are must-have in the year 2021. Let's get started. To start off with product number 1, it's going to be HydroSpeed. So HydroSpeed is a ceramic infused quick detail spray that can be used on your vehicle, whether it's ceramic coated or not coated. Unless you have a glaze, sealant, wax, or ceramic, it would also work amazing. So HydroSpeed is a quick detail spray that is a simple spray on, wipe off formula. That's how easy it is. So bring protection to your ride the year 2021 by spraying it and wiping it down. Like this, you maintain your ceramic coatings, your glazes, sealants, and waxes with a single spray. Now we're moving on to product number 2, which is HyperBan. HyperBan is a disinfectant cleaner that can be used to disinfect your ride. Say for example, you operate a ride share or you hop in a ride share. Imagine how many different areas that ride share has already been touched. But with HyperBan, you simply spray it onto a microfiber towel, you wipe it on, and you wipe it off. HyperBan can be used around your interior vehicle, whether you have vinyl, plastic, hard plastic. Just do not use it on porous surfaces. If you do have tough grime or grease, spray it on there, let it sit for 15 seconds, and then wipe it right off. And like that, your car is disinfected from your interior. Like this, you stay safe anywhere you go. And now we'll be moving on to product number 3, which is carbon forged ceramic coating. A ceramic coating goes further, much beyond, and the protection is much higher than a glaze, a sealant, and a wax. A ceramic is going to hard on your paint, which is going to cause a barrier. So if bird droppings lands on it, water spots, or any fallout, it's not going to penetrate your clear coat, because imagine it's like a shield. Ceramic coatings are going to hard on your paint and also going to cause hyperactive water beading. So if you're that type of person, whenever you're washing your vehicle and the water just sits and does not bead off, that means you do not have ceramic coatings. A ceramic coating like carbon forged is going to last up to 5 years of protection. Like this, whenever you encounter any type of weather, your vehicle is coated and it's not going to cause water spots or rust spots or damage to your paint. Carbon forged can be used around your whole entire vehicle, such as your wheels, clear plastics, headlights, and glass. So like this, you stay protected all around your whole entire vehicle, and your shine is there and the protection as well. And now we're moving on to product number 4, which is going to be the Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. Torque Tool Company took it to the next level and they supersized everything. To start off with, the design is amazing. The PET plastic is super durable and it has this cool handle so it never tips over, and it's perfect on hand. Then whenever I set it down, it's not going to tip over, so it will damage your head of your Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. It also comes with this cool foam adjustment knob that you could twist left or right. If you want high amounts of suds, twist it all to the right. Like that, you're gonna be producing thick shaving cream suds. Torque Tool Company also made a brand new 2-inch bezel that's going to be producing tons of suds, just how you watch on our Chemical Guys videos. It also has full flow technology, so if you're in high winds, these divots right here is not going to allow your foam to go all over the place. It's still going to be shooting straight. And if you want a very wide fan, you close it all the way, like so. If you want a very narrow stream to get into hard reach areas, twist it open, and like that, you'll be shooting a very narrow stream. It also comes with a universal fitting that fits any pressure washer. And now moving on to product number 5, it's going to be the Arsenal Range Trunk Organizer Detailing Bag. Take your detailing on the go by using the Trunk Organizer Detailing Bag. It's cool, it's branded, it has heavy duty zippers. It also has a pouch just for your polisher. And if you have 4 ounces, it also has this pouch in front where you could store everything. It also fits shoes, it also fits clothes, so you could take it anywhere, anytime. And the cool thing about it, it has these traction pads at the bottom that will not be causing it to slide all around like a little salamander in your trunk. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to drop a big thumbs up. If you want to pick up any of these products today to get ready for 2021, hop on our website right now, chemicalguys.com. Or if you want to pick them up in person, stop by your local detail garage, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.